Magandang umaga po, Mr. President. Sir, unang-una po siguro, mga magkano po yung kailangan nating pondo para sa National Greening Project natin for the whole 6 years?
Okay, ask mo pa ito.
Ang pondo pong binibigay sa amin ng Congress is 1.3 billion every year po. Ngayon yun ang ginagamit namin. Pero dati natatamnan yan mga 30,000 hectares lang. Ngayon po ang tinatarget namin 100,000 hektarya for 2011. Triple po.
Follow-up lamang po, Mr. President. Mukhang maganda naman po ang performance ni Secretary Pae. May balak po ba kayo talaga siya in the permanent capacity sa DENR?
Pusin natin tuloy nito, pero lang kailangan kausap.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, other former government officials like former SSS President Romulo Neri has been charged with tax evasion by BIR. May we get your reaction to this, sir? And are you satisfied, sir, with how the other tax evasion cases are going in the court?
Well, yung as far as the executive department is concerned, masaya tayo na na-accomplish yung mission ng BIR to file cases every other week. So there is something like 42 cases already filed. Yung may worry tayo na yung, as you know, judicial reform is one of the planks of our agenda. Ang kaso mga 6 years to adjudicate, mabistahan. So tapos na po yung term natin, baka hindi matapos to. So I keep on telling the DOJ and the BIR itself to ensure that we do everything in our powers to expedite the resolution of the cases. Dulo po nito, it is not the filing of cases that is the priority. Pero pag may prueba, meron nakakasala, kailangan may kaula pa po sa
Mr. President, with the search committee, ano po ang plano niyo sa kanila at guaranteed po kaya na magkakaroon sila ng pwesto since kaalyado na sila?
Yung kaalyado is a good factor, pero that is not the only factor. Are there suitable positions for the respective candidates? Will we have to create certain positions to fill needs that have been felt in these 10 months or so of our governance? So, i-review po yan, and who will redound to the benefit of the people, or will be, and placing them in a particular position, will be the only factor that will determine who gets what post.
Has the palace completed the study on the role of the chief of staff?
Gotcha. We're defining so that there is no overlap between the chief of staff, the executive secretary, the head of the PMS. We're trying to clearly delineate the functions.
Okay, last question. Hi, Sharon.
Sir, morning. Sir, the other day, former President Ramos urged you to possibly certify the RH bill as urgent. Are you in consideration to that also?
Meron yung constitutional provision kasi kung kailan mo pwede i-declare a certain bill na urgent. And at this point in time, I think I've only certified as urgent one bill, yung sa ARM. Dahil August na yung election yan, talagang kailangan paspasan. Yung bill, paano ka lang patas, pag final, mga 1 taon, tumatakbo sa legislative bill. Hindi naman kakayanin yung 1 taon para sa ARM. So, certify natin urgent. And there's no other bill that I have certified as urgent, as far as I remember. So, priorities ang sinasabi natin that I think it will be included in the next list of priorities. The first list we submitted to Congress was 23 or 24 measures already. So, yung may mga nakipasa na doon, may luwang na na-create, pwede na natin siguro imungkahin. And we will study if yung responsible parental bill can be included already in the second set. Siyempre, yung first binigay natin, yun ay inaasahan natin mga problema o maging batas na.
Sir, clarification lang, yung second set po ba, urgent na siya? Included na po ba din?
Sir, yung priority ginagamit namin term to signify how important it is. Pero yung urgent is reserved for national calamities. Parang napaka-specific ng Constitution. If I remember correctly, there are only 2 situations where you are authorized, or I am authorized, to certify a bill as urgent. And to our mind, parang medyo na-abuse yung certifying urgent. Tuloy, parang lahat urgent. Wala yung urgency. Ang pag-approve mo talaga urgent.
Sir, last na lang po, sir. Sir,
Second last, sige.
sir,
Baka may third last pala, sir.
Sir, last na to talaga. Sir, the other day din, may isang group of NGOs, they are threatening to lead civil disobedience should the RH bill be approved into law. One of the action to be taken daw, sabi nila, is not to pay their taxes, their tax obligations. Your take on that, sir?
Not to pay their tax obligations. Yung I will be surprised no, if somebody will say that publicly. Because if I'm not mistaken, yan mabigat na kaso po yan. Yung, I think sedition would be the charge that would be filed for your not doing your civic obligation. So paano, and marami ng president yan. Yan talagang maigpit ang ating mga batas.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you. Thank you.
Can I just clarify? Pag minagmungkahi kang, huwag magbayad ng buwis. Kahit hindi ko, very serious offense. Hindi ko malala kung sedition na papasok yun o baka sa rebellion pa. Pero malamang sedition.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you. Thank you.